Hi! So this video is of a worm bin that I built this last spring, and this is the first time that I've opened it up to see what the worms are doing in the lower layers. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks. I haven't taken the first bucket off of the worm bin before, so I figured I'd look and see what the second bucket is. I know the bottom one's filling up with the liquids. Oh, buddy. Look at all those worms. Yeah. All those worms on the side of the bucket. I don't know why you guys are on the side of the bucket. All in the bottom. Okay, well, we're gonna, I guess, knock you guys down off the side. Maybe I should put that tape back on there. You guys are trying to escape. Jeez. The worms aren't. Those are the ones that were on the under the tape. That's the original worm bin. It cleaned out like 20 pounds of worm castings, and that wasn't even all of it. So I guess we're gonna put tape between the top bucket and the middle bucket since worms want to escape. I guess we can pull this bucket off too and see what the bottom looks like. We have worms not staying where they're supposed to be. Okay. I don't think you guys are supposed to be in all this liquid. Go back up here where you belong. I don't know, maybe they can survive in this liquid, but I don't think they can. It's just from out of the bottom bucket. Okay, you guys. Oh my goodness. Cody, get them.
Hi!
Just put them in one of the worm bins.
They're everywhere, Mom.
Yeah, like all of this is worm castings. That's like the good stuff for the garden.
Hey, Mom.
Come put them in one of the worm bins.
I'm still gathering them.
I know, these bins are going to have to go in the shed for the winter because they'll get too cold out here. This one, they're okay.
Because I can go deeper.
Mom, here's more.
Okay, thanks. Yeah, because they can go deeper in the worm box.
You missed some.
I know. Look at this. That was behind this brick.
Just behind the brick?
That was just behind the brick. Look at that.
How big? How big, Mom?
There's a big blob of them. Cluster. I don't know. Is there a technical term
Mom,
for
one of them
worm?
was just cut in half.
Yeah, well,
And they're still alive.
well, those are actually, I think those are babies.
Yeah.
Oh, here we go again.
Was they escaping?
It's a healthy worm bin.
Mom, here's one. Here's that.
Yeah, here's a baby. See?
Oh my-
It's one of the babies.
Mom, I think you're the last of them.
Okay, put it in the bucket.
That bucket,
Yeah,
not
this
these. I don't see any more worms.
On the ground that have escaped.
Nope, I don't see any.
Oh my goodness.
This is the box.
I haven't checked the nightcrawler bin for a while.
Where's that one?
It's behind the shed.
Mom, there's
What?
an escapee on here.
Escapee. Get it.
Mom, do spiders eat worms?
See, all this stuff is like amazing for your
Here's one.
garden, as gross as it looks. Yeah.
So we
Hey.
basically eat all that?
We don't eat it, no.
we eat the nutrients out of it.
Yes.
It goes into our plants.
Yes.
Mom, let's go check the night color.
Is that wood or a brick?
This is wood.
Why did you put wood in there?
So hold the buckets separate. Hold on.
Finding more.
Well, I'm moving more of their castings. AKA worm poop. And then I'm gonna go in and wash my hands. And then I have to put, what I did is I took the tape off between the buckets.
And they
And there was worms under the tape. Okay, so put this bucket gently back inside that bucket. There's a handle right here.
Okay.
Yeah, put the bucket inside there, nice and gentle. Okay. All right. And there's food in it. All right. Okay.
Yummy.
Okay, put the lid
Goodbye.
back on it. So you see all this black right here? That's worm poop. That's from the worms being up there. Who knew we had worms that were trying to escape? Yep, they're making their way down. A bunch of coffee grounds on top, so there's more food underneath for them. And all the worms that we put in that bin, they're gone already. They're already burrowing.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button and please subscribe and share this channel to keep up to date on some other videos that I'll be posting in the future. God bless.